Welcome back to Wolf Weather. It's Sunday, February 18th. I'm Tom, and I'll be guiding you through the graphics. We're going to look at the forecast for the next few days and see what may be coming up toward the end of February. There's some action going to be going on. And we'll also look at the Caribbean and see what's going on there and a few other cities around. Well, let's get started, and let's go ahead and pull up our first graphic, and it's going to be the national map and what's going on. We've had a lot of rain, about 3/4 of an inch of rain today in East Tennessee, and that's those two lows you see down there causing all that, and that front that's been pushing through. A lot of snow and a little bit of rain in the northwest. They've been getting a lot of snow up near Seattle in that area, and also in the northeast. Seen a picture of New York, and they've been getting some pretty good snow in that area. So that's the three main areas that's been getting a lot of stuff today. Well, actually, it was Saturday. Now let's look at the radar, and it pretty much shows what we've seen on our surface map. Pretty much the northeast has been getting some rain. The rain that front that went through East Tennessee has pushed all the way over almost to the coast of North Carolina, so it's still moving pretty good. And there's still stuff up in Montana, North Dakota. Some of that is pushing into Minnesota. And they're getting a little bit of action that's going to be moving on into Seattle, Tacoma area. And there is a little bit of stuff down in Mississippi moving into Alabama. Here is our forecast for East Tennessee for the next few days here. Sunday is going to be 64 and sunny, then some rain moving in late after about 1 a.m. in the morning. The low's only going to be around 49, then we're going to have a 60% chance of rain. And Monday, we're looking at around 70 with a 40% chance of rain, and then about 53 and cloudy overnight. Tuesday, 76 and sunny with a low of 58. Wednesday, 74. Back to that chance of rain around 50%, and the low is 54, and rain chance is actually going to go up a little bit to 60%. Winter is not gone. People have been asking me. It will be back. The models are showing a little bit colder March than normal, so we'll see how March turns out. And this is for western North Carolina. On Sunday, 58 sunny and a low of 46, and they're going to be getting a 50% chance of rain after 11 p.m. Monday, 63 with a 30% chance of rain, and then a low of 53, and they're going to have a 20% chance of rain overnight. Tuesday, 71 with a 20% chance of rain, low 56, and rain chance is up to 40%. Tuesday night. Wednesday is going to be 71, rain chance 50%, low 55, and they will have a 50% chance of rain overnight on Wednesday night. So the pattern is not changing a whole lot, getting a little less rain than what we've been getting in the last 4 to 5 days, but still going to be in that rainy, warm pattern. And here is some for Sunday, some cities, the forecast. As I said, Seattle's getting some snow, so 32-24 and a 50% chance of snow today. And Dover, Delaware is going to be sunny with 47. Asheville's going to be 58 and sunny. Tampa's going to be 83 and sunny. Houston, Texas, 75, and they've got a 20% chance of rain. That front is still in the area. It's pushing down through there. And Little Falls, which is near St. Cloud, Minnesota. Cold up there, 35. They're going to have a low of 8 and a 30% chance of snow. So in that area, Minnesota, North Dakota, and probably South Dakota, Montana, all up in that area, still getting some very cold weather and getting some snow. So let's look at this graphic we have here. And this is for Monday and Monday night through Wednesday. And this is showing where the heaviest rain is going to be. And it's going to actually be right near western Tennessee, not over here in the eastern part, and through Arkansas, St. Louis area, and on up into Chicago, and probably down all the way down to Houston. So they could be getting some very heavy rains with flash flooding and problems with rivers flooding. Now let's look at the Caribbean. Looks very good. This is the satellite and winds. And the winds are out of the east as normal. They're about normal where they should be, around 10, 15 miles an hour. A few a little bit higher, a few a little lower. But very few clouds. So if you're going to take a cruise in the next few days, it's going to be really nice. No weather systems in the area. And the temperatures are going to be pretty stable right in that 80 degree area. Upper 70s, 80 degree area. So it'd be nice to take a cruise. Our next one up, our graphic, people ask, what do you have for a rain gauge? Well, this is what our rain gauge looks like. We are an official, we do the rain over here in Cock County. And we turn those reports in every day. And we are actually going to be starting something a little bit new with checking the pH of the rainfall, how acidy it is. And this is our lake that's right about a quarter of a mile away. And all this rain we've had, the level has risen 14 feet. And it is full at 990, and right now it's at 968. And it's probably higher than that because it's rained a lot since the 3 o'clock level advisory they have here. 3 in the afternoon they check it. But it is over normal, about 13 feet over what it normally is in the last 2 to 3 years they go back. Well, thank you very much for tuning in. We appreciate all our subscribers. And we'll have a little bit more on what we're going to be doing with the rain here, testing the pH level, and see if we're getting any type of acidy rain over here in eastern Tennessee, and reporting that when we report our rain amounts every day. So have a great Sunday, and we'll be getting another forecast going here, hopefully probably Monday sometime. We're going to be gone tomorrow. So have a great Sunday, and we'll be talking to you soon.